See one real-time use case. So in this data source we have ID category, IDCC category and IDMM category. So from these three fields we need to extract the ID column. Expected output is, so if ID category values is contain hash, then we should not consider this column. We need to take the IDs from the second column. If the second column also contain the hash values, then we need to bring those IDs from the third column. So like that we will create one ID column. Let's see how to write this calculation in Tableau. So I have loaded this data into Tableau. Now let's create one new calculated field. Create calculated field. Now I'm going to name the calculation as ID. So we need to check in the first column, that is ID category, if these values doesn't contain the hash, then only we need to take the ID values. For that, if ID category is not equal to hash, then we take ID category. Let's see the output of this calculation. Bring the ID category, click OK. Now drag this calculation to the text and see the output. So we got the ID category values from the ID where the ID category values are not null. So next, in place of these blanks, we need to bring the values from second column, that is IDCC category. Right click, edit, else if IDCC category not equal to hash, then we need IDCC category. If you see the output, you will get these values from the second column. Click apply. Okay, now we need to bring the values from third column when these two are having the hash values. Okay, else if IDMM category not equal to hash, then IDMM category. Click apply. Okay, so from this data we need to extract only the IDs. So to split this calculation, to split these values, we have a function called split. Okay, so split function syntax is we need to provide the string function and then the delimiter means the separator identifier, and then we provide the token number. So this is the string, comma, the delimiter here is in this data hyphen, comma. So if you see, we need to provide 1. If we provide 1, then we will get the IDs. If we provide 2 as the token number, we will get the text instead of IDs. So the split function splits this text and gives the token number 2, that is furniture values, text values. If we provide 1, then it will give us the first delimiter. Okay, now we got the IDs from these three columns.